Hey travelers, welcome back to the Outpost. Mia's not going to be joining us as we're going to be doing a unboxing of the Mandalorian Super Commando, the new Black Series figures. As you know, a lot of yours got canceled by, of course, Walmart, showing up in stores. I know a lot of us are kind of frustrated about that. We did grab a couple of them actually at our local Walmart. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing on one. Also, if you're new here on YouTube and not following us on Instagram, go ahead and check us out on Instagram. Go ahead and give us a follow. We post our newest collection items, different toy hunts we do as well that we don't always post here, and just a lot of different content altogether. It's both Disney and Star Wars. We're both huge Disneyland fans and are going to be doing a lot of different entertainment videos once these open up. And just either way, stay tuned, join us, and other than that, let's get the unboxing done. Alright guys, so here's the new Black Series Mandalorian Super Commando. I love these new boxes altogether compared to the black and red, the square boxes. I kind of like the curve that they had to them. Love the art. I'm huge onto either box art or card art, especially like TVC wise. So I definitely love the art on that. I'm really happy they went with the yellow and black as well for this fig. It goes perfect. Again, of course, going to come with the Super Commando, jetpack, 2 blasters. It's going to be a pretty simple setup, pretty simple unboxing. I just kind of want to do a little bit of review on the figure, check it out and see how the joints are and all that. Alright, it's going to get this bad boy opened. Really don't care too much actually about damaging this box since it's going to be an opener. And we're going to start doing too is on the unboxings, not this one, but coming soon, what we're going to do is I'm going to do a giveaway. If you're a loose figure collector, we'll be doing a giveaway for that figure that we did an unboxing on. But I'm keeping the Super Commando. Alright, so let's take a look. The detail on this is actually really nice. The figure feels really stiff and good. Nothing loose. Let's get that out of the way. Let's take a look at the head. Head sculpt, nice with the helmet. I don't like how flimsy these are at the top, but I mean, I guess it's not bad. Wish they would have been a little more stiffer, not too much to play with. Removable helmet would have been kind of cool. I heard people talk about, but I prefer to have the helmet on anyways. Looks like it has full rotation, which is good. Nothing limited there. Joints on the elbow are good. Looks like you can do some good poses. Alright, yeah. No complaints so far. Figure looks good. Love the paint app down here with the red. I don't really see too much to complain about. Oh yeah, goes all the way back. So if you do any toy photography, these joints are gonna work great. Can't wait to do some myself. Alright, yeah, so everything works good on here. Let's go ahead and put the jetpack on. The jetpack goes on pretty easily though, just getting clips in the back. Nice, beautiful. I like the red that they put around here. So if you look at the top, you got the red at the top of the jetpack. I like that. Looks good. Alright, so we went ahead and got the blasters out. So it looks like his hand's a little bit stiff in there, so you might have to pull out a little bit to insert the blaster. And I moved a little bit there so I had to move it up just a little bit on the finger just to make sure it fit in the trigger. But other than that, fits well. So let's go ahead and their blaster in here. And it looks like the same thing. Just kind of, anytime you get that, if you're new to opening figures, I just got to pull the fingers out a little bit. They're a little bit stiff in there. And then boom, fits right in. And looks like that one. So this hand right here fit perfect within the trigger. This one I had to adjust the finger a little bit. But other than that, Looks good. So, altogether, I'd probably get this figure, honestly. I'm going to go with the 10 out of 10. Let me try some poses first before I give it a 10 out of 10. But, I mean, the way the figure is made, I mean, the paint application on this figure altogether, I mean, you can't go wrong. Jetpack's nice, fits nice and snug. No looseness, really. To me, a little bit, but not much. I mean, unless you're throwing this thing across the room, there's no reason it should be coming out. I love the swivel on the feet. Yeah, let me do some poses and then we'll give it a rating here. But man, I can't find anything to complain about, which is rare because normally I always find something to complain about. But I don't find anything to complain about on this one. So let's try some poses and then we'll take it from there. All right, so after getting him posed up, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. And only reason I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 is just personally for me, which will not be for you guys, for the little spikes at the top. I don't like how flimsy they are. Like, I wish they would have been a lot more sturdier. That's just me. Maybe it's just me being, you know what, I'll go ahead and give it a 10 out of 10. That's just me being nitpicky. Other than that, it's the paint app on this figure looks really good. I mean, a little dull in some places, but they did a good job. Nothing too smeared or anything. Mandalorian helmet looks good. The paint app on that looks good. The jetpack looks good. The holsters are good and solid, and the blasters fit in there very well, as you can see. Not loose, doesn't fall out. I mean, joints are good. The swivel on the waist is good. I mean, yeah. So that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to go ahead and give it a 10 out of 10. All right, Outposter. So that's it for the unboxing and review of the Super Commando. Again, beautiful fig. Make sure to go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications. Again, a lot more new content is going to be getting pushed out here on YouTube. A lot of unboxings, different videos, more toy hunts. We're going to try out some different places in Arizona like Tombstone until the park's open. And of course, once the park's open, you guys already know, it's going to be constant videos. I'm going to be doing some editing on the Downtown Disney videos we did as well. Mia, I'm going to see if I can get Mia to join me on the next unboxing. I know she'll like to join in sometime. So, but do appreciate you guys though. All the love and support, especially on Instagram. Everyone that's kind of been there loyal with us. We always love giving back to the Star Wars community, especially the Star Wars toy community, collector community. You guys are awesome. So I hope you guys like the channel. Hope you guys stick around, share the word, spread the word, let everyone know. And we'll see you on the next Outpost. Bye guys.